everyone, today's task involves you creating a concept map revolving around Hinduism. So there's 3 different categories to choose from down here, or 3 different avenues. So you're going to choose the one that best fits your learning needs. So plateau is the first level. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a concept map using the words Brahman, reincarnation, caste system, dharma, and karma. Steady climb, a little bit more challenging. We're adding on the word moshka. And then mountainous is our most challenging with the added word of untouchables. So what you are going to do is you're going to put these words on your concept map, and the big higher level thinking skill is connecting them all together. So I first need you to indicate which one you are going to do. So you can use the pen over here to circle it. So for each of your vocab words, you need to have both a definition and a visual picture to correspond with it. So the easiest thing to do is hit this add image section over here and use the Google image search to search that image and then include it in your concept map. And then you also have to have a minimum of 5 arrows with the annotations that demonstrate the connections between the 2 words. So you're going to start your concept map on the next page right here. Okay, so this is the space where you are to do your concept map. I gave an example. Here is the book, the Vedas, and then I describe what those Vedas are. However, let's look at my example so we have a better idea of what a concept should look like, concept map should look like. So my example that I'm giving you is Egypt. That's one that we're all familiar with. And I put Egypt in the middle on a Post-it. And then I started up the top here. I said, okay, self, what are some vocab words? And for you guys, they're already given to you, that I can associate with Egypt. So I have a pharaoh. So I found a picture of a pharaoh in the Google images. And then I described what it is over here to the right. Ruler of Egypt. Could be male or female. Then I'm going to put an arrow here and write the word pyramid. I'm going to describe what that pyramid is. So they are built as burial chambers for pharaohs. Many mazes were built inside to keep robbers from reaching the tomb. Okay, so there's my word, definition, and description. And then I use Google image search right here to find that picture. Okay, next higher level thinking skill is connecting the different terms. Okay, so what I'm going to do, since pharaoh and pyramid connect with one another, I'm going to, above or below, whatever floats your boat, write down why they are connected. So I simply said pharaohs are connected to pyramids because pharaohs were indeed buried in those pyramids. The next term I put on here was mummification. I found my image with Google Images, and I added a text box that's down here for all of these. I describe what the mummification process is. So the process used to preserve the dead. So oiled cloths were wrapped around the body after organs were removed. So then I can say, okay, do these 2 terms, pyramid and mummification, connect? Indeed they do. So I draw an arrow right here. Over here, I'm going to put why they are connected. So pyramids house mummified pharaohs. Bam. So you need to make sure you have 5 connections between your words. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, like I had, okay? What I did with Nile River and hieroglyphics, I put them down here, described what they were, but I didn't think they really connected to any of the other words, so I just kind of left them on their own. Okay, so the big idea is you're making connections. That's the highest level of thinking skill right here between all of the words that have to do with Hinduism. So this will show me that you not only understand the words, but you can explain to me why they are all connected. So you're going to work on this class period. Don't forget that this is where you're going to be completing the concept map. Always refer to my example and ask questions if needed. Thank you.